Welcome back, viewers. In the last videos, we have seen the Arch Pro Audio, which applications are included in the Arch Pro Audio. So that we have seen in a quite a detail. So we have checked out all the applications in the Arch Pro Audio. Then we investigated the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio script for Arch. So that also we did the installation. The installation was successful. Now my laptop has got both. So the Arch Pro Audio is also installed. Plus I have installed the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio scripts. So now today we will investigate whether the Pro Audio scripts of Brendan Ingram are working on my Arch laptop or not. So whether to see if the configuration of the Pro Audio script is correct or not, you can use this command. First command is ulimit -n. So sudo is not required. You can see here it is showing 1024. And the other command is ulimit, that is unlimited -a. So here you can see the real-time non-blocking time, it is unlimited. Core file size is unlimited. Data segmentation size is unlimited. Scheduling priority is now 30. File size is of the blocks, that is the memory blocks, is unlimited. Pending signals is 28750. Maximum clock memory is unlimited. Maximum memory size is unlimited. Open files is 1024 that we have seen here. That is the same shown here. Pipe size, that is the memory pipe size, is 8. POSIX message queues is 819200. Real time priority is 90. So the real time priority is now 90. Stack size is 8192. CPU time is unlimited. Maximum user process is 2870. Virtual memory is unlimited and the file locks unlimited. So we can safely say that the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio scripts are working perfectly in Arch Audio. So you can use the scripts given in the GitHub page of Brendan Ingram. You can install those scripts as I have shown you in the earlier video. Plus you can also install the Arch Pro Audio. So Arch Pro Audio meta package will install lot many applications, plugins, then other things that are required for a digital audio workstation on a professional level, and you can fully utilize the capacities of the digital audio workstation and the video recording applications in the Arch Pro Audio, and with the support of the Pro Audio scripts of Brendan Ingram. So we have combined both the Arch Pro Audio features and capabilities with the Brendan Ingram's Pro Audio scripts. So we have realized a very professional level system for professional digital audio workstation and video recording. And in other video also I have shown how to do the installation of DaVinci Resolve in Arch. So you can also install the DaVinci Resolve on this system and it will be a perfect professional level video editing platform for you. So on this note, I will stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.